Hello students, welcome to the channel Top Gate. In this video, I will discuss one more problem of DFA, that is to design a DFA which accepts all strings over the alphabet A, B such that every string should end with AB. Okay, so in the previous video we have already discussed a similar kind of problem. In that one, it was saying that we should accept all strings which contain AB as a substring, but in this one it is saying the string should necessarily end with AB. Okay, so first of all, let's try to understand what kind of language this is, and then what is the shortest possible string in this case. Then we'll design a DFA for this. So in this language, it is saying that every string should end with AB. So we can have like A, B, B, A, and then finally AB. So this should be accepted. So it is saying that every string should contain AB in the on the right hand side, that is onto the finally it should end with AB. Okay, so the shortest possible string in this case can be AB only. Why? Because it is ending with AB. So we'll design a DFA for this AB, and then all the other options will be added into that. Okay, so let's design a DFA for this one. So what I need to accept at least AB. So what I'll do, go to Q1 and then go to Q2. This is A and this is B. Okay, and make this as final. So we are accepting AB. Okay, and it is saying that the string should end with AB. That is a mandatory requirement, and the string can start with A also, the string can start with B also, anything can be there. So what I'll do, I'll simply put a self loop here of B. So the string can start with B, so it will accept like right now it will accept B, AB. Okay, or it will accept BB, AB, or triple B, AB. So it will accept all these kind of strings in which the ending is done with AB. Okay, now this Q naught is complete. One path for B, one path for A. Come to Q1. Q1, one path for B is there, one path for A is left. Okay, it is saying the string should end with AB. So suppose I give you a string as A, B. Okay, so it is ending with AB. Fine. So, or if I give you a string as A, again AB, or triple A, AB. So all these strings should be accepted. Why? Because we are getting AB in the end of the string. Okay, so if I start accepting this particular string, so I'll start with Q naught. With A, I'll come to Q1, and then I need AB here. Then again I can have several A's here, that is 1A, 2A, 3A, 5A, 4A, 5A, so n number of A's can be there. So what I'll do, I'll simply take a self loop of A here. Okay, so that will start accepting all the strings having any number of A's and then finally ending with AB. Correct? So Q1 is complete. Path for A is there, path for B is there. Now comes the interesting part, that is on Q2 I need a path for A and for B also. Fine. Now I cannot take a self loop of A, B here. Why? If I take a self loop of A, B here, then the string will end with any character. It will not necessarily end with AB. Okay, so I cannot take a self loop of AB here. Suppose I have AB as a substring. So it is again a string which contains AB in the last, so it should be accepted. So I'll start with this one, A and then B. Now I have to accept AB again. So what I'll do, so I'll come to this Q1 with A. So A, B, A, B. So this A, B, A, B, A, B is getting accepted by this machine. Now another path is left, that is path for B is left. So what I'll do, I have to add this path somewhere. Suppose I have a string as A, B, then A, B, 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 A, B. Okay, so I have A, B, A, triple B, A, B. So what I'll do, A, B, then A, B. Now again I'm stuck. I need 3 B's now. So what I'll do, I'll simply come from this one to this one with B. That is the first B, and then second B, third B, and then A, and then B. Okay, so if you check this one, that is first A come to Q1, B come to Q2, A come to Q1, B come to Q2, then again B, come to Q0, then again B, come to Q0, then again B, come to Q0, then again A, come to Q1, again B, come to Q2. So this will be accepted. All these strings will be accepted by this DFA. Now let's check a correct string and a wrong string. Correct one should be accepted, wrong one should be rejected. Okay, so the correct string, suppose I take as A, B, A, B, A, B. Okay, and the pointer is currently on to the first state is Q0. Okay, so at Q0 A applied, at Q0 A applied, I went to state Q1, pointer moves on to B now. At Q1 B applied, at Q1 B applied, I went to state Q2 and the pointer moves on to A now. At Q2 A applied, Q2 A applied, I went to state Q1, pointer moves on to B. At Q1 B applied, Q1 B applied, I went to state Q2, pointer moves on to next state. Again at Q2 A applied, I went to state Q1, pointer moves on to B. At Q1 B applied, I went Q1 B applied, I went to Q2. This is my final state. Therefore this string got accepted by this DFA. Now let's take some wrong string also. Suppose I take A B, then B A. Okay, so it is not ending with AB, so technically it should not be accepted. Okay, so initial state is Q0, pointer is on to the first state. At Q0 A is applied, Q0 A applied, I went to state Q1, pointer moves on to next B. Q1 B applied, Q1 B applied, I went to state Q2 and pointer moves on to next B. Q2 B applied, Q2 B applied, I again came to Q0, pointer moves on to the next state. At Q0 A applied, Q0 A applied, I move to state Q1, which is not my final state. Therefore this string got rejected by this DFA. Okay, thank you so much.